Farmers Life Insurance app. The pros, the cons. The Farmers Life Insurance app is designed to simplify managing your life insurance policies. Many people assume it's just for viewing documents, but it also allows policy tracking, premium payments, claim submissions and account updates from your smartphone. On the pros side, the app provides instant access to policy details, beneficiaries and payment history. Filing a claim is guided step by step with options to upload supporting documents or photos. Push notifications alert users to upcoming payments, policy changes and claim progress. Users appreciate the intuitive interface and straightforward navigation. On the cons side, some users report minor glitches or slow performance, especially with detailed policy reports. Offline functionality is limited, and advanced features like coverage projections or policy comparisons are missing. A stable internet connection is required for full functionality. In conclusion, the Farmers Life Insurance app is a reliable, user-friendly solution for everyday life insurance management. While it lacks advanced analytical tools, it keeps policyholders informed and in control, making routine insurance tasks simple and convenient.